In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cash-on-delivery payment method in Odoo website. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get a manual payment option live on your site without connecting any third-party gateways. This is ideal if you want customers to place orders online and pay later. For example, when the package is delivered or collected, start by signing into your Odoo workspace and opening the website app. From there, head to Configuration, then Settings, and scroll to the Payments section. This is the central place where Odoo manages payment providers, sometimes also called payment acquirers. If you don't see these menus, make sure you have access to the website app and the necessary permissions. Next, add or select the provider you'll use. If you see a Create button, click it to add a new provider. In some setups, you might already see a list of providers. In that case, simply locate the one you need. You're looking for a payment method such as cash on delivery. If there's a search box, typing cash on delivery can help you find it quickly. Once you're in the provider form, confirm that the payment method field reflects what your customers should see at checkout, like cash on delivery. This label is what appears during the payment step, so keep it clear and recognizable. Now set the provider to manual or offline. This tells Odoo that no online processing is required. Orders will be created as usual, and you'll collect payment outside of the system according to your business process. With the method identified and the provider set to manual or offline, it's time to make it available on your site. Enable the payment acquirer by switching on the toggle so it becomes active and published. When this is enabled, the option will appear for customers during checkout on your website. If you ever need to temporarily hide it, you can come back and switch the toggle off. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use a straightforward name so there's no confusion at checkout. If your operations team needs specific instructions, like acceptable payment locations or delivery areas, add that messaging to your store's checkout or confirmation pages outside the setup so customers know what to expect. And because this is a manual method, there's no need for API keys or credential setup. That's it. You've navigated to website settings, added or located the provider, chosen the cash on delivery method, set the provider to manual or offline, and enabled it so it's published on your website. Your customers can now select cash on delivery during checkout, and you can handle payment on your terms.